Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr.Kay English Channel. I'm Kay.
And I'm Bunie. Hi everyone.
If you're new here, this channel helps you learn real English through natural conversations.
We keep it simple, clear, and practical, so you can copy our sentences and use them every day.
Bunie, quick question. When you're busy, do you ever talk to yourself in your head?
All the time. Like, okay, focus. Don't forget that.
Same. My brain is always talking.
And that's the secret. If your brain already talks, we just need to switch the language to English.
Exactly. Not all day, just a little every day.
If you enjoy this lesson, please like this video and subscribe to Mr.Kay English Channel.
And leave a comment. Where are you watching from?
One more question. Do you translate in your head right now? Comment yes or no. Okay, here's the deal. If you stay with us until the end of this video, we're going to give you a 30-second brain switch routine that you can use anywhere, on the bus, at work, even when you're tired.
And it works even if your English is not advanced. No big vocabulary, no grammar stress.
Most learners try to think in English and fail because they start with long sentences.
But today, we'll show you the shortcut, how to build English thinking with small steps that feel easy so your brain doesn't fight you.
If you do this for 7 days, you'll notice something crazy. You will start answering faster without translating.
So don't click away, stay with us. Your future English brain is waiting.
Step 1. Start with baby English. No pressure.
Step 1 is simple. Think like a child. We call it baby English.
People hear that and feel embarrassed, but it's actually smart.
Because children speak fast with simple sentences. They don't translate. They don't overthink.
Start with tiny sentences like, I'm awake, I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm busy.
Let's practice. Bunie, give me 3 baby English thoughts right now.
Okay, I'm sitting, I'm listening, I'm ready.
Perfect. Now let's make it real. Imagine you're at home and you're late. What do you think?
Oh no, I'm late. I need to hurry. Where's my phone?
Great. Short, natural, fast.
Your first goal is not advanced. Your first goal is automatic.
Step 2. Use the label plus sentence trick. Step 2 is the fastest way to build English thinking. Label plus sentence.
Look around and label objects in English. Then make one sentence.
Let's do it right now. I see a bottle. Label, bottle. Sentence, this is my bottle.
I see a notebook. Label, notebook. Sentence, my notebook is on the desk.
Then add one detail if you can. My notebook is on the desk because I'm studying.
This step trains your brain to create English structure without translation.
And you can do it anywhere. Kitchen, office, coffee shop, bedroom.
Let's do a quick challenge. Kay, 5 objects, 5 sentences. Go.
Phone, my phone is charging. Chair, this chair is comfortable. Window, the window is open. Keys, I can't find my keys. Clock, the clock says 9 o'clock.
Nice. That's real thinking practice.
Step 3. Switch from words to chunks.
Step 3. Stop thinking word by word. Start thinking in chunks.
A chunk is a common phrase your brain can grab quickly.
Here are 5 chunks you should memorize. Let me think. To be honest, I'm not sure. It depends. That makes sense.
When you have chunks, you can hold your place in English.
Exactly. Example. Let me think. What should I eat? To be honest, I don't want to cook. I'm not sure if I have time.
Now you try. Imagine a friend asks you, can you meet today? Use 2 chunks.
Let me think. It depends. I might be busy.
Perfect. The chunk gives you time and keeps you in English.
Choose 5 chunks for 1 week. Use them in your head every day. Step 4. Use the I feel, I want, I need triangle.
Step 4 is a powerful system. We call it the triangle. I feel, I want, I need.
These sentences are easy, and you can use them in any situation.
Examples. I feel nervous. I want to relax. I need to focus.
Let's make it more real. You're at work, and you have too many tasks. What do you say in your head?
I feel stressed. I need a plan. I want to finish one thing at a time.
Great. And if you're learning English and you feel shy,
I feel shy. I want to speak. I need practice.
simple but strong.
This triangle is your daily English thinking engine.
Step 5. Narrate your day, your inner voice.
Step 5. Build an inner voice in English by narrating your day.
You don't have to speak out loud. Just think it.
Like a calm voice in your head. Okay, I'm getting up. I'm washing my face. I'm making coffee. I'm leaving home.
Let's do a mini scene. You're leaving the house.
Do I have my keys? Where's my wallet? I need my phone. Okay, I'm ready.
Now you're on the street.
It's hot today. There are many people. I should walk faster.
This is one of the best ways to stop translating because it's real life, real timing.
And your brain starts to connect English directly to actions. Step 6. Use the 3-second rule. Think fast, simplify.
Step 6, the 3-second rule.
When you have a thought, try to say it in English in 3 seconds, inside your head or out loud.
If you can't, make it simpler.
Example. Your big thought is, I should improve my health because my lifestyle is not good. That's hard. So simplify. I should be healthier.
Then add one more sentence. My lifestyle is not good.
That's it. 2 simple sentences are better than 1 long sentence you can't say.
This rule trains speed, and speed builds fluency.
Let's practice. Big idea. I'm worried about the future. Simplify.
I'm worried. I don't know what will happen.
Perfect. Clear and fast. Step 7. 1-minute monologues. Everyday topics. Step 7. Do 1-minute monologues.
Choose an easy topic and talk for 1 minute.
Topics. My morning routine, my plan today, my job, my hobby, what I ate today.
I'll do one. Topic, my plan today. Today, I want to finish my work early. I have 2 meetings. I need to answer emails. After work, I want to exercise. Then I want to eat something light and relax.
Great. Now I'll do what I ate today. Today, I ate eggs for breakfast. I drank coffee. For lunch, I had rice and chicken. Tonight, I want something simple, maybe soup or sandwich.
If you forget a word, don't stop. Use simple words.
Fluency is moving forward, not being perfect.
Step 8. The 30-second brain switch routine. Stay till the end.
Okay, this is the routine we promised, the 30-second brain switch.
You can do it anywhere. Ready? Here are the steps. 1. Name 3 things you see. Chair, phone, window.
2. Say 2 sentences about your situation. I'm here. I'm waiting.
3. Say 1 sentence about your feeling. I feel calm or I feel nervous.
4. Say 1 sentence about what you will do next. I will start work. I will go home. I will study.
That's it. 30 seconds, and your brain is now in English mode.
Do this routine 3 times a day for 7 days. Morning, afternoon, night.
You'll feel the difference. Your English will start to turn on faster. Quick recap. Today you learned 8 steps to think in English. Start with baby English. Use label plus sentence. Think in chunks. Use the I feel, I want, I need triangle. Narrate your day with an inner voice. Use the 3-second rule. Practice 1-minute monologues. Use the 30-second brain switch routine.
If you practice these steps every day, you'll stop translating little by little.
And your speaking speed will improve naturally.
Now comment below, which step will you try first?
And write 1 sentence right now using the triangle. I feel, or I want, or I need.
We will read your comments.
Thanks for watching Mr. Kay English Channel.
Keep it simple, keep it daily, keep going.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this lesson with a friend.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.